Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15's eq1018ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The LCD cover on your HP 15's eq1018ns may become cracked or damaged due to accidental drops or pressure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage to the screen or internal components, affecting your device's performance. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement LCD cover. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the laptop, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the damaged LCD cover, which is typically secured with screws around its perimeter. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, and gently lift the damaged cover away from the device. Take your new LCD cover and align it with the mounting points, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen, disconnect them carefully before proceeding. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a protective case or sleeve for your laptop, and always handle it with care. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.